here your activity. Okay. A lot of people have been asking me, how do I upload my lesson plan? I have gone through the PhET course. I have done my implementation of my lesson plan. How do I share it? I want it shared on the PhET website so I can be acknowledged by my work. And not only being acknowledged is also going to help you to reference for career growth, and also it's going to help the Nigerian, STEM teaching um, hub. Okay, as you know, as Nigerian teachers, if we upload more of our activities, any teacher, because Nigeria, we use the same curriculum mostly in all schools, any RDC curriculum. So once you've worked on it, it's easy for any other teacher to pick on that your activity and use it to teach, whichever STEM subject, be it physics, chemistry, maths, or biology. So to do this, all you need to do is you need to be signed in to your profile. So please, if you're a teacher, you haven't created a PhET account, it is absolutely free to create, register on the website, okay, to create your account. So you have to be signed in. All right. If you don't know how to, I'll leave the link on how to register as a PhET teacher on the PhET website. Okay. So once you are in your profile, you come here to teaching. Now, you see here, share your activities. You can see here, browse activities. Browse activities is if you're looking for other activities from other teachers around the world. But if you want to share here, like for me now, if I come to my activities, all right, or let me not go there first, okay. Anyway, my activities, this is one of the activities, my contributions I have imputed, all right, on the PhET website. Okay, so now share your activities. You click here, share your activities. Okay, it goes here. So you write everything about, this will automatically, because I'm in my profile, so it will be here. So, you put the name of the organization, you contact me if anyone wants to contact you. What simulation are you using? You select it here. You upload the particular your file. Okay, if you save your activity sheet, the lesson plan, you upload it here. All right, or if it's an online document, you also upload the online file here. You write the title of the activity, the keywords, description of the activity. You select the subject, be it biology, chemistry, earth science, maths, or physics. Select it. Select the grade level, okay, and select what type. Is it, guided activity? You click that since it's a class. You implemented it in a class. It's not remote learning. You select it. Select the language. Select the duration of the class. How many minutes was your activity plan around? Okay, and you click agree and you submit your lesson plan and your lesson activity, and that's it. So the back end, the experts, subject experts will go through your lesson plan. If it ticks the standards of what each lesson plan or activities that should be on the site should be, then it would notify you and you will come here and see your contributions. All right, you come here and see it in your contributions. Like I have done unit rates. Don't worry, I'm about to upload some lesson plans. Maybe I would use that example. Okay, so you can see my own here is approved. Okay, so this is everything I submitted when I went here. Share your activities. So this is like the summary. This I shared this document so other teachers can download and use my lesson plan. All right, so this is a lesson plan on unit rate. So this is how you upload your own lesson plan and you'll be acknowledged. If you go to browse activities, when I search for my name, I would see it here. And this is my contribution towards PhET. Okay, so I want us to upload all our lesson plans here. So we in Nigeria and Africa, we can have a very good, wonderful database. All right, if you notice, let me just browse on acid base and source solution. Okay, you will see different authors. All right, different authors. So let us put in our things. This she might create hers based on their own curriculum. But once we have so many Nigerians, and Africans putting in their see, This is Israel Joe. This is a Nigerian. Let me check here. This is a Nigerian. You can see this is a Nigerian. All right. So let me try. Let me check his lesson plan. It will give me an idea of. Okay. Let me just save it on my desktop. It will give us an idea of. When we see it, we'll know if it's a Nigerian curriculum, if it's working from a Nigerian curriculum perspective. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Year 10. All right. Acid-based materials. Okay. 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 So anyway, Israel just sounds Nigerian. All right. And year 10, this, that. Okay, good. So please let us add to this. That's what I'm just trying to say. So it's as easy as that. As easy as that. Just come here. As far as you are signed in, just come to teaching, share your activities, and that's how you upload it. Thank you. You are destined to win. Thank you.